Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Hi Krishna, dear devotees, welcome to our ISKCON Bulla official YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss chapter 20, part 2 of Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela. We have been describing how Mahaprabhu is teaching Sanatana Goswami. So verse 149 says, Vaikuntha Brahmandagana Shakti Karya hai Swarupa Shakti Shakti Karyera Krishna Samasraya. The transcendental form of Lord Krishna is unlimited and also has unlimited opulence. He possesses the internal potency, external potency and marginal potency. Verse 150. Krishna Swarupa Ananda Vaibhava Apara Chit Shakti, Maya Shakti, Jiva Shakti are. The material and spiritual world are transformations of Krishna's external and internal potencies respectively. Therefore, Krishna is the original source of both the material and the spiritual manifestations. So verse 161 says, परमात्मा जहाँ तहाँ कृष्णेर एक अंश आत्मा आत्मा है कृष्ण सर्वावतंस. The Paramatma, the super soul teacher, is a plenary person of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is the original soul of all living entities. Krishna is the source of all the Paramatma. 164. Bhakti Bhagavan Anubhav Purna Rupa Eka hi Vigrahatar Ananda Swarupa. Only by devotional activity can one understand the transcendental form of the Lord, which is perfect in all respects. Although his form is one, he can expand his form into unlimited numbers by his supreme will. Verse 165. Swayam Rupa Tadekatma Rupa Avesa Nama Prathame Tina Rupe Rahena Bhagavan. The Supreme Personality of Godhead exists in three principal forms: Swayam Rupa, Tadekatma Rupa, and Avesa Rupa. So verse 204. Purushottam Achyuta Nrsimha Janardana Hari Krishna Adukyaja Upendra Astajana. The eight pastimes expansions are Purushottama, Achyuta, Nrsimha, Janardana, Hari, Krishna, Adukyaja, and Upendra. So verse 264. Mayatita Paravyame Savar Avasthana Vishwe Avatari Avatar Nama. All the expansions of Lord Krishna are actual residents of the spiritual world, but when they descend into the material world, they are called incarnations or avatars. Verse 272. Sei Purusha Mayapane Kare Avadhana Prakriti Kshobita Kare Virjir Adhan. When the Supreme Personality of Godhead glances over the material energy, she becomes agitated. At the time the Lord injects the original semen of the living entities, the Atma, original semen, the living. 314. पालनार्थ श्वास विष्णु रूपे अवतार सत्व गुण दृष्टा ताते गुण माया पार. For the maintenance of the universe, Lord Krishna descends as a personal plenary expansion in the form of Vishnu. He is the director of the mode of goodness. Therefore, he is the transcendental to the material energy. Verse 325. Shanubha Shambhuve यज्ञ सरचि से विभु नाम अनुत्तमे सत्यसेन तामसे Hari Abhidhana. In the Swayambhu Manvantara, the avatar is named Yajna. In the Sarvachisa Manvantara, he is named Vibhu. In the Uttama Manvantara, he is named Satyasena. And in the Tamas Manvantara, he is named Hari. These are the Manvantara avatars. Verse 326. Raivate Vaikuntha Chakuse Ajita Vaivasvate Bhamana Savani Sarvabhauma Daksha Savani Rishabha Ganana. In the Raivat Manvantara, the avatar is named Vaikuntha, and in the Chakisa Manvantara, he is named Ajita. In the Vaivasvat Manvantara, he is named Bhamana, and in the Savanya Manvantara, he is named Sarvabhauma. In the Daksha, in the Daksha Savanya Manvantara is named Rishabha. This Manvantara will come. Now present Manvantara is Vaivasvata. That is seventh Manvantara. Then there are another seven Manvantaras also. There are 14 Manus in each time, in each day of Brahma. Verse 332. Krite Shukla Chaturbahu Jatilo Balkalambaraha Krishna Jino Pavitakhyan Bibhrada Danda Kamandalu. In Satyajuga, the Lord appeared in a body colored white with 4 arms and matted hair. He wore tree bark and wore a black antelope skin. He wore a sacred thread and a garland of Rudraksha beads. He carried a rod and water pot, and he was a brahmachari. This is in the age of Satya Yuga. Verse 362. यही सब कार्य तार तटस्थ लक्षण अन्य अवतार ऐसे जाने मुनिगण. All these activities are his marginal characteristics. Great saintly persons understand the incarnations of the Supreme Personality of Godhead by the indications of the two characteristics known as Swarupa and Tatastha. All the incarnations of Krishna should be understood in this way. So, verse 363. अवतार काले हाय जगत गोचर यही दुई लक्षण कह जान ईश्वर. At the time of their appearance, the incarnations of the Lord are known in the world because people can consult the Shastras to understand an incarnation's chief characteristics, known as Swarupa and Tatastha. In this way, the incarnations becomes known to great saintly personality. It's not easy to understand the incarnations of the Lord. Verse 364, Sanatane kahe jate Ishvara lakshana Pita Varna Karya Prema Dana Sankirtan. Sanatana Goswami said the color of the personality in whom the characteristics of the Lord are found in is yellowish. His activities include the distribution of love of Godhead and chanting of the holy name of the Lord. Verse 665. Kalikale Sei Krishna Avatar Nishchaya Sudruda Karyakaha Jauka Sansya. The incarnation of Krishna for this age is indicated by these symptoms. Please confirm this definitely so that all my doubts will be go away. So, verse 366. Prabhu kahe chaturali chada sanatana shaktavesa avatarera shuna vivarana. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu replied, O Sanatana, you must give up your intelligent tricks. Now just try to understand the descriptions of the Shaktaves avatars. So verse 367. Shaktaves avatar Krishnara asankhya ganana digga darsana kari mukhya jana. There are unlimited Shaktaves avatars of Lord Krishna. Let me describe the chief among them. Verse 368. शक्तावेश दुई रूप मुख्य गौण देखी साक्षात शक्ति अवतार आभास विभूति लिखी. Empowered incarnations are of two types, primary and secondary. The primary ones are directly empowered by the Supreme Personality of Godhead and are called incarnations. The secondary ones are indirectly empowered by the Supreme Personality of Godhead and are called vibhuti. Verse 369. Sanagadi Narada Pruthu Parshurama Jiva Rupa Brahmara Avisavatar Nama. Some Shaktaves avatars are the 4 Kumaras, Narada, Maharaj Pruthu and Parshuram. When a living being is empowered to act as Lord Brahma, he is also considered a Shaktaves avatar. Verse 370. Vaikunthe Sesa Dhara Dharai Ananda Ei Mukhya Visavatar Vistare Nayanta. Lord Sesa in the spiritual world of Vaikuntha and in the material world Lord Ananda, who carries a number of planets on his heads, are 2 primary empowered incarnations. There is no need to count the others, for they are unlimited. Verse 372. Sese Swasevana Shakti Pruthude Parana Parshurame Dushta Nasaka Virya Sancharana. The Supreme Personality of Godhead invested the power of personal service in Lord Sesa, and he invented the power to rule on the earth in King Prithu. Lord Parshuram received the power to kill rogues and miscreants. In this way, there are so many incarnations. So this is described in verse 375 to 396. So I would like to stop here. Thank you very much for listening to this lecture, and please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our channel, and get blessings of the Lord. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.